Hi everyone, I was trying to do a demo of how to make your own model file in Ollama and I thought I forgot. I didn't, I just had a spelling mistake. So I just thought I would go through that for my own reference later and for anybody else that might want it. Plus I'll add in the code so you can use it yourself locally. So on here I have a Python script that you can use. And it has GPT Claude Vision and GPT-4o Vision included. You press the number 1 key or the number 2 key to be able to access those things, but otherwise you'd be pressing the star key to talk to it. Now you actually have to have your own .env file with API keys for the Claude and GPT-4, but otherwise if you're using a local model, and that's what I'm going to show today, this is how it would work. Hey, can you tell me how to say good afternoon in Arabic, please? So the ollama model runs through and it's now transcribing into, or it's going to figure out how to do it in Arabic, and it responds. This is all done locally, by the way, so you don't need internet.
Hey, hi, marhaba. Hello. In Arabic, you can say good afternoon as Bon dia. This is a common way to greet someone in the afternoon. Alternatively, you can also use Mesa Belkhair. This translates to good evening, but it's often used in the late afternoon or early evening hours. If you want to be more formal, you can say Alaiwa Sala. This is a polite way to greet someone and means welcome or hello. You can add after this to make it more specific to the afternoon. I hope that helps.
Could you respond only in Arabic, please? Say the sentence, I would like to buy something at the shop. Only responds in Arabic.
Hey, hi, marhaba. Good afternoon. Mtarazit and Ishtirf al-Mul. I would like to buy something at the shop. Mtarazit and Ishtirf al-Mul. I would like to buy something at the shop.
There's something wrong with my code there. It keeps on storing 2 levels of the conversation. But either way, the code is there. You can go off and manage it yourselves. I'm just going to go through the ollama demonstration now and how it works. So I created this create ollama bob -f model file. In the model file itself, let me pop it up here. This is the model file. It's quite simple. Llama 3 parameter temperature 0.5. You are a teacher of English and you are helping those that speak Arabic. Okay, so to create a model file, you go to the folder. You can go to the folder above, Bob, for example, or go into Bob, and you can go up arrow. Ollama create Bob -f model file. In the actual Python script that I just had a second ago. Here we go. You come here and you'll go Bob latest model for the send to Ollama API. Okay. Now to get Ollama, on the other hand, you would just go to the Ollama site. So it's just Ollama, and you would you download it first of all. It's easy. Mac, Linux, Windows. It's only recent on Windows. Go to the models itself. I chose Llama 3. You do that by copying ollama run Llama 3. And you just type that in there and it would download it. I've already done it already. But if you do ollama list, it shows you all the llama models that you have. So I have Bob, which I created there. I've also created Vegeta and Yoda. Okay, so the GitHub should be attached for this code, and that's how you do it. It'll take about a minute to run through all of this, and you're done. Have a nice day, guys.